You eat Chana Dal for lunch. By 4 p.m. your stomach is a balloon. It's not the dal, it's the raffinose, a sugar your body can't break down. One ingredient added at the right time makes all the differences. Let us guide you into making the dal your gut likes. Tur dal is a nutritional powerhouse, affordable, comforting and feeding millions daily. Rinse it with water 3 to 4 times until the water runs mostly clear. Discard the cloudy water. After few wash, the water will be clear. The dal will feel slightly gritty at first, that is the surface starch. Add the rinsed Chana Dal to your pressure cooker. Pour in 3 cups of water. Here comes the secret to a no-bloating dal, the hing. Hing does wonders for digestion, making it the perfect ingredient to add while pressure cooking. Then add turmeric and salt. Stir once to disperse. The hing must go in at the start while the water is still cold. This is the critical step for the science claim. Seal the pressure cooker and cook for 3 whistles. After the whistles, turn off the heat and let the pressure releases naturally for 10 minutes. The dal continues to absorb water and break down during this resting phase. Whisk gently. You want to break down just enough starch to create a silky, slightly thickened broth around the whole lentils. Heat the ghee in a small steel or iron pan until it shimmers. Add the cumin seeds, curry leaves and dry chili. They will splatter aggressively, so step back, let them crisp for 2 seconds. Pour the entire tadka over the dal. The hot ghee hitting the surface creates the sizzle. Do not stir the tadka in completely. Let it cool on top before stirring. To brighten the entire dish, cuts the bitterness of the turmeric and increase iron bioavailability. Add the lemon juice. Add this after cooking and stir to add vitamin C into the dal. Let us discard friendly dal over fluffy rice and enjoy comfort food without the bloat. Hit the subscribe button for more heritage cooking. See you next time.